Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I'm going to show you how to find all the posts, videos and photos you have liked on Facebook. This is a great way to view content you enjoyed or just to keep track of your activity. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. And once you are here, you have to simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. And once you are in the settings menu, you have to simply scroll down and find the activity log option. Tap on it. Okay, so once you are here, you will see option of activity history right here. Simply tap on it. And here you can see all your interactions on Facebook. To find your likes, tap on filters at the top and then select categories. And here you have to simply tap on your Facebook activity. And now tap on comments and reactions. And finally tap on likes and reactions. Now you can see all the posts, videos and photos you have liked or reacted to. And that's it. That's how you can find all your liked posts, videos and photos on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.